along, it's time to play. Let's check in with Emmy Mae. Big or small, your heart is true. There's a kindness club for you.
Be your feelings, let them show. Talk it out and let it go. With a smile and song to share, you'll find friendship everywhere. Do 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 do.
Do 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 do.
Do 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 do.
Do 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 do. Hi, Emmy Mae. You seem a little quieter than usual today. Is everything okay?
Anthea, I think I hurt my friend's feelings.
Oh, well, thank you for telling me. That's very brave. Can you tell me what happened?
At recess, we were playing superheroes. My friend asked if she could join, and I said, "You can't play. We already have all the superheroes." I didn't mean to be mean, but then her face looked so sad.
Oh, I hear you. Sometimes our words can make someone feel left out, even if we don't mean to. Words are powerful. They can hurt or they can help.
So, what should I say next time?
Next time, you could try, do you want to be a new superhero with us? In pretend play, there's always room for more. Our imagination makes it possible.
Do you want to be a new superhero with us? Oh, that makes my heart feel so happy. Like we're all on the same team.
Words can hurt, words can heal. Words can change the way we feel. Kind words, kind words, kind words show. Kind words helps our friendships grow.
So, if I say kind words to my friends, I won't hurt their feelings?
That's right, Emmy Mae. Being mindful with your words is an amazing act of kindness.
Thank you for sharing that. Say thank you, say hello. Saying I like you can help us grow. Kind words, kind words, kind words show. Kind words helps our friendships grow. Wow! When I use kind words, my heart feels lighter, like little sparks inside me.
That's right, Emmy Mae. Kind words gives us heart sparks. Tiny little sparkles of kindness that makes our heart shine. And when we share those heart sparks, our friendships grow stronger. Friend, today's kindness mission, say one kind word to someone today.
Do you want to play? I like your drawing. I'm glad you're my friend. Kind words helps our friendships grow. Thank you. I like being your friend.
The book, that's my heart, telling me I'm brave and smart. When I feel things start to grow, I breathe in deep, then let them go.
The book, strong and true. Kindness lives in me and you. Say it proud, say it clear. I'm so glad that I was here. Kindness lives in every heart.
See you next time.
In Emmy Mae's Kindness Club. Yay! We did it!
We sure did. And I'm so very proud of you.